October 3rd, 1:17 in the afternoon. I woke up today around 10:30-ish. I wanted to sleep in a little bit just because I went to bed super late last night. So Jay is at work. I don't know how long he'll be at work. He was there starting 4 o'clock this morning, so hopefully he's done in a couple hours, but we'll see. We don't really have much planned today. I'm probably gonna go to the gym once he gets home, and then we'll probably just make dinner and just hang out the rest of the day. I think he has to go to work tomorrow again, so I don't know how long he'll be at work tomorrow. We have plans to go to Casey Wine Company, which is a little bit of a drive for us, but we want to go there because they have a like Gouda Fest going on. It's like they have a pumpkin patch too on their property, so we thought it'd be just like a cute little thing to do. They have like Gouda mac and cheese, Gouda grilled cheese, and then like free, it's all free, like free cider spiked drinks. I don't know what they're called, but they have that, and then I think that ends at like 6 p.m. So hopefully we can make it to that tomorrow. Probably bring you guys with us. I don't think we'll go to the pumpkin patch just because we're a little too old for that. But yeah, probably go tomorrow, hopefully, and enjoy mac and cheese and grilled cheese. That'll be fun. But other than that, we don't really have much planned. Just kind of relax. We work a lot, so it's really hard to do this as well, especially since we're not getting paid for it. We're just doing it for fun. So Vlogtober is gonna take a lot out of us, specifically me, because I'm editing these videos and trying to get them up. But we'll do our best. I mean, if we don't vlog every single day, oh well. I mean, it's our first time doing this, so I'm sure no one will hold a grudge against us if we don't, against us if we don't vlog every single day. But we'll try our best, try to have fun, and yeah, so when something happens that's eventful, we'll give you a little update. But for now, I'm just going to edit the try-on haul that I did last night for American Eagle. I got one thing from Hollister, but I'm including that. American Eagle and Old Navy, primarily. So I'm just gonna edit that and hopefully post it in a couple hours. And hopefully you guys will check that out. It's kind of entertaining and not everything looks great on me. So yeah, just stay tuned for another update. I wanted to update you guys on my bread making. If you don't care about bread making, maybe just skip forward a couple minutes. But I recently found a recipe that's pretty good for just like half whole wheat, half white bread. And look at how beautiful. Like there's actually, it looks like bread compared to the last recipe I used. I am throwing it away though, because I didn't finish it in time. It's not so good. And then a friend from work gave me like an Amish friendship bread starter. So I'm excited. I found a recipe that just calls for a half a cup of the starter, and then you kind of make it into a sourdough bread instead of making it like a sweet traditional Amish bread recipe. But here we are so far. This is what it looks like. I just added the extra 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk to it today. I was supposed to add it yesterday. Yesterday was day 6. I'll kind of put a picture here of the instructions for the Amish bread. I hope I didn't mess it up by adding it on day 7 instead of day 6. But today is technically day 7, so hopefully it's okay. On day 10 is when you separate 1 cup and you put it into 3. You take 1 cup and put it into 1 baggie, 1 cup to put it in another gallon size baggie, and you do 3 of them. And then you're supposed to give those away. If you don't give them away, you're gonna be baking bread for 10 days. So, well, more than 10 days. 10 days. I don't know, whatever. So I'll probably try to give one to my mom. I'd have to ship it out. She's all the way back in Wisconsin. So hopefully it's okay if I do that. I may put like a little cold ice pack in it and then just like overnight it. Maybe I can do that. So I don't know who I'm going to give the other 2 starters to, but it doesn't matter. Hopefully I can get this to turn into actual like sourdough bread instead of sweet bread. We'll see. I'll probably vlog that as well because that'll be just in a couple days when I do that. So stay tuned for that friendship bread update.
Yep. Sup. No. Sup. Yeah, so I had a very rough day at work. So that's why you have not personally seen me in this vlog today.
Also why I never went to the gym like I said I was gonna go.
Yeah, got off super duper late. Again, I'm not gonna go into exactly what I do, but it was a lot of running around. And I got off super late from 4 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock. Been up since 3 o'clock this morning. So I am mentally and both physically exhausted. No. So I'm like super duper tired. But I need to like go to sleep because I felt myself crashing.
Obviously, if you couldn't tell.
Yeah, like if I close my eyes right now, like no gas, like I'm falling asleep. Like that's it. Snoring, mouth all open, the whole nine. Like
Drooling.
it's over for that. Like I'm gonna go to sleep and that's it. But for the sake of Vlogtober, definitely gonna stay up, chop it up with y'all for a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, we just finished dinner. I had chicken and some roasted potatoes.
I had some salmon, roast potatoes, and a caprese salad. I'm not gonna call it the usual, cause it's gonna annoy her, but that's what I'm here for anyway. A comprendo salad.
It's called a caprese salad.
Caputo.
I don't make it like normal people make it. I like to add, what do I add in it? Garlic powder and thyme and olive oil and stuff. People don't, some other people don't do that. Like most recipes on Pinterest are just like the spinach, the cheese, and the tomatoes, and that's it. But like, why wouldn't you want to add other and basil?
Yeah.
But like, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I can smash a caprese salad like day after day and never get tired of it. Like it's healthy for you.
It's like a healthy pizza.
Like it really, minus the copious amounts of cheese.
Well, but even then, it's not that much cheese. Like it's natural mozzarella. It's not like prepackaged shredded. It's like those mozzarella pearls. So it's mozzarella in its natural state.
Yeah, and it's actually good.
I don't like it.
I'm not a huge fan of having like foreign objects in my salad, but that's an exception. And I will forever eat a comprendo salad.
A caprese salad.
Caputo salad.
A caprese salad.
Kombucha salad.
Oh my god.
And be perfectly fine.
Oh my god.
Have me some baked food. And be alright. Be satisfied.
I definitely haven't eaten much today. I think I just had bacon and then I had my protein waffle that I didn't even finish. And that's all I had besides this.
What time did you have the waffles?
11. So I ate at 11 and then made another cup of coffee. So I had 2 cups of coffee. And then at like 1, I had a Coke Zero. And then that's it. I didn't eat anything else.
Well, I literally did not have time to eat. All I had was breakfast, which was a bowl of cereal, a bowl of Golden Graham cereal, and that's it. That's all I had today. I didn't eat anything till I got home. I had some liquids, had a bottle of lemonade. That didn't really help at all. Yeah, so just cereal, lemonade, and then get home, had dinner, and a bottle of water. So I'm good now.
And we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Well, by we, I mean me. I'm gonna make the chocolate chip cookies. So I'm just gonna make a half a batch of chocolate chip cookies, and I'll show you how I make them. And maybe I'll put the recipe. The recipe in the description box below. So check that out if you want to make the chocolate chip cookies that I make, because I think they're good.
Good is an understatement.
They're really good. So
really good is an understatement. Them shit's just fire.
So yeah, just gonna make a half a batch of that, and then we'll probably close out the vlog there because, well, it's 8:30 and I still have to edit this stuff.
Yep, and I still have to go to work tomorrow.
Here's the cookies. They don't look as good as they normally do. This one looks, is it this one? Yeah, that one looks really good. You want to try one? Grab one. Not the whole thing. Babe, where are you going? You can't have that many cookies all at once.
I can.
Babe, you have to come back.
Why?
Because you can't have that many cookies all at once.
Alright, fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Just break it open. ASMR.
You just had to say it, didn't you?
Would this be considered? Oh. Look at that. She looks so pretty.
Yeah, pretty destroyed.
Are they good? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Yeah, bye.